A modern three-level townhome with a versatile living space in a vibrant urban setting. This beautifully designed home features incredible views in a walkable location near great schools, parks, and some of Portland's best coffee shops, pizza, and restaurants in the entire metro. It also includes income potential on the lower level with a separate living space. Head up to the top floor to discover a penthouse-style, open-concept design with beam ceilings and one of 2 balconies for west-facing views and exceptional sunsets. Bamboo floors lead to the stylish open kitchen with stainless steel appliances in a space filled with natural light. And walls of windows for taking in the views from multiple sitting areas. The middle floor offers the primary suite and an additional 2 bedrooms. Another balcony lets you take in the fresh air every morning. Just down the hall, the 2nd bedroom also has access to the balcony. You'll find a 3rd bedroom on this level and another full bath in this home of more than 2,800 square feet. The lower level suite features a separate living space with a separate entrance, a wet bar, full bath, and a fenced patio. Newer construction, low maintenance, energy efficient, and pre-wired for solar. This home is modern, functional, and spacious with the added benefit of an ADU, home office, personal gym, or bonus room. A fantastic opportunity on Southeast Sherman Street, and it's ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.